What time did y'all get here?
5 o'clock.
How's it been?
It's been good, man. It's been good. It's been busy, but good.
Did they let y'all sit down in chairs?
Yeah, they let us sit down in chairs, set up our games, and chill. It was a good time.
Okay, they open already?
Yeah, they opened at 9, I think, 9:30.
Yeah,
okay, so
9:30, bro.
Yeah. I just found out.
Yeah, he's like, man, it's just getting out here. I love it. I'm gonna run out there real quick. I love it.
How many people has been in front of you?
I think there's like over 280
We're 37. And now there's like 300 people.
Okay.
Yeah, just about.
Yep.
All right, what's happening, everybody? It's your boy DJ here, back at you with another one. Now, I don't like to wake up early, but right now, as you can see right here, there is a lot of people in line. There's about 300 people in line. I am here to get a couple things, probably do a little bit of reselling, but I'm not sure yet. We're gonna see what we can get because I'm telling you right now, bruh, this line is thick. God damn, I didn't realize it was gonna be like this. I don't know what we're about to get, to be honest. I'm telling you right now. I don't know what they have on inventory. Hopefully I can just try to go and sneak up in there and see what's up. Maybe I might go over there and ask and see. But right now I have no clue. We're trying to get the clock. Oh yeah, Chase made it over here.
Really trying to
what you trying to get, bro?
The clock, the bedding, and maybe the rug.
Okay.
I don't know.
I want that green rug. I want that green mat.
I'll be happy if I get the
clock and the toolkit so I can work on things.
Oh,
I don't know what else.
Cool. For only 10 bucks.
It's like 10
why
bucks.
not?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Well, let's go see what we can do. All right, y'all, so I just asked the lady, she got the inventory on all the stuff, and I know how much there is, and it's crazy because there's 288 wet rugs, and I'm telling, the wet grass rugs, there's 288 of those. And guess what? We're about 290th in line right now, and I think we might be able to get one. The clocks, there's like 350 of those, so we shouldn't have a problem. I think it's gonna be a good day today. We still need tickets, though.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So
it's kind of out of order because
all right.
Some people knew and some people didn't know.
Okay. Well, so people who do know and people who don't know at this point, I'll just start giving ticket orders. This is 300. So I'm going to give you a quick update on what's happening right now. So we're letting in people in groups of about 10 or so. They're going into the Mark Garage shop. Still don't have anything that has been sold out. As you get closer, you'll see that there, right before you get to the door, there is a Mala easel. It's one of our kids' easels, and it has pictures of all 15 of the articles. We will put little sold out signs on each of those as they sell out so that when you get all the way up here, your expectations will be tempered, so to speak. That being said, like I said, we haven't really sold out of everything. I don't have my quantity list with me. A big question was the wet grass green rug. We have 288 of those in this shop. So if you have up through 288 as your ticket, you will have the opportunity to buy one. There is the likelihood, I just want to warn you, there is the likelihood that someone has been standing in line for just the glass cabinet. And if you're just standing in line for the glass cabinet, we only had about 24 of those. So that probably you won't be able to get. But a lot of the smaller items, like say the clock, the toolkit, we have over 300. I believe we have 356 of one and 341 of the other. Those, everyone here in theory will be able to get. And I see there are more people in line, so I'm going to go ahead and give them more tickets. Like I said, instructions are on the back. We're letting everybody in into the Mark Garage shop, and I will answer questions in just a moment.
Yeah, there's like a whole shelf.
You know how much this clock was?
$49.99. I'm gonna use this one for my couch, and this is just going on.
Have your receipt. Your receipt is required for all returns or exchanges for the next year, okay? Something kind of cool, the receipt rug, the bottom left-hand side, the store number, 28. That's actually a Portland store.
Get these, both of these, two of these, yeah. Did you want to get one of each or what?
Oh, there's two.
Yeah. Then we can make our mind up when we get right, y'all, so they let us up in here. They said if we leave this area, we can't come back in here, so we're kind of trying to pick out and figure out what we're gonna get right now. One item per person on most of the stuff. This is, they got the comforter set right here. This just goes over that with the sheets and the pillowcases. So we got a bunch of stuff to look at and figure it out, so we'll be back at y'all in a minute. Where's the pillows at?
It's only like one per person. The price?
She got, yeah.
$24.99.
Where's that pillow that goes in it?
Downstairs,
Downstairs?
please. Yeah,
Okay.
they have, it's like 16 by 26.
Oh, I got
Just
you.
get used-
Okay, I got you. So it's 20 something for the, what is this?
Those
30?
are 25.
32 for the pillow. 149 bucks for the chair. Day bed is what? So the frame of the day bed is 200 bucks.
In the thing.
Oh, it's a cover and a pillow.
480 in there.
And then the blanket and that. Plus the pillow. Oh, this is a regular pillowcase. This is, and then there's a table.
You guys have a
We got a table for 400. All right, have a good day.
recycled cardboard.
This shit is legit. Okay, so we good? Did we get everything we need?
Yeah, I need a cart.
Are we gonna get, how much are the rugs? 100?
They're 100.
How much are they going for?
I don't know that you'll have service in here.
129. You think they'll go up or down?
Yeah, you have a year to return. That's the only reason I'm doing it.
Which one you wanna get? You wanna get another one of those, or you wanna get a wet grass or what?
I like the wet grass so much more. I don't like the receipt
Is this gonna
one.
go up? I already got 500 in the other rug.
I don't know.
Okay, so we need to get one of each of these.
I got that.
Yep.
Claudia? Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Do we need these?
What?
You want this rug?
That's what I'm
think-
saying. We get two of them.
You get
we
both?
Can, I mean, if anything, we can return it, or if it sells, we can sit on one. We can figure it out. I don't know. I guess it's better to just buy it and then figure it out, and then we can return it today or tomorrow or a year from now.
Alright.
I don't know.
Alright.
I feel like this is best.
We got
I got
two
one of
them,
each.
or-
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we got two of each.
Make sure that you have your receipt within you for your changes required within a year.
They're nice.
You do count, and then I'll send you guys out.
I did not know that.
The only thing we're out of
Okay.
now is
You good?
Yeah.
I bet. Yeah, that shit. Yeah, you can go. You can go.
Are those ones different from these ones?
No, those are the same.
They're the same? Okay.
Okay. Is that everything you need? All right, thank you. All right, y'all, we made it out. Looks like we got everything. We gotta go downstairs and pick up the rugs, and then from there we go to the checkout process. Now this is the part where they let us go through the store and we can do any other shopping that we want to do, or we can go directly to the checkout process. I don't think I need anything else from IKEA, so let's just take it to the checkout because we're about to run it up.
Alright, and what's your name?
Darren, DJ, whatever you want.
Is it Chase or Jake?
Yeah. Yeah. You got one.
You put it in the bag?
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here you go.
Where'd you put it at?
Thank you.
We'll go that way. Let's go that way. You go that way.
Well,
What time do people get here?
Like 2 a.m. and stuff. It was crazy.
Waiting out here. Oh my
2 a.m.?
gosh.
For that stuff, yeah.
For this stuff.
For that stuff. The same stuff. It's crazy.
Sheesh.
For the bags, the rugs, and everything. Solid, right? 365 days.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We out here. We out here. 804 boys. God dang.
Oh, I need your autograph. Just saying I was funny and you had a good time.
Oh, yeah.
And copyright any jokes you made me. No, I'm kidding. I'm just joking. And you know our
We're
return
gonna put that
policy,
back in the
right?
cart. Yep.
365 days with this receipt.
Okay. Thank you.
Of course. Have a great one.
Alright, what do I do? The extra bag.
Gotta keep the receipt. Extra bag. Just take
Put
it.
it over there.
Take it.
Just take it?
Just take it.
Just take it?
Just take it. How many times you want me to say it? Put it in the bag. Just put it in the bag. Hurry up. You're not good at being subtle at all. Should I take the toolkit? Boom, 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 boom.
You're an ace.
Stop being such an ace. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. It's been a pretty seamless process since we got inside. Everything went pretty well. They were out of the Mona Lisa in the mirror. I can't lie, I did want the Mona Lisa, but it is what it is. I got what I got, we got what we got. You know what I'm saying? Can't be too mad. We got the rugs, we got the clocks, we got the bags.
Well, we secured it.
The bag
My
is
nose
secured.
itches, but I can't itch it.
Did you secure the bag or blow the bag?
Both.
Currently 1 o'clock. We just got out of the store. So it's here for about 3-4 hours. And there are people still in line over there. If you can see that right there, there's people still in line trying to get their stuff. But there is stuff available, so that is good. That is good. People can still get something.